otherwise it's gonna be raining.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As promised, this is the start of our Halloween special. Joined by special guest Ryan in the back over there. He's having a good old time. Today, so yeah, as we said, it's going to be a bit of a different video. We're going to dress up Mitch's Vauxhall Insignia. Just going to chuck a bit of rubbish on top of it and call it a spooky car, essentially.
You ain't wrong.
But yeah, stay tuned. So by him kicking the wires on the
I think it's just a loose connection.
And code 96 is what again?
Airbags.
The driver's airbag.
Yes.
Okay. This car's already scary as it is. And I don't think we've mentioned, so we're actually dressing up the car for the Halloween car meet, as today is in fact Halloween. So there's gonna hopefully be some other cars there. Not as nice as ours is gonna be, is it? Ours is gonna be the main event. We're the celebrity guests at this thing. But yeah, so hopefully we'll see some other cars and it won't just be three lads in a car park. Just being three lads in a... That's probably what it's gonna be, to be fair. But we'll find out. So if it's rubbish, it's rubbish. But you know, we never know. We have a little surprise. That's never there. Yeah. So before we put anything on the car, we're just giving it a little wipe down because wet is annoying. Hey.
So
So what's the plan then, Mitch?
you have to use tape to secure it down. So what I'm going to do is actually make a couple of, you know, those little round things.
Little round things.
Yeah, so like when you tape, so it's all taped all around the side.
Double-sided tape.
Yes, we'll make it makeshift the double-sided.
Fantastic. So Mitch has very geniusly, as he's mentioned before, kind of rolled up the tape, so the sticky sides on the outside, and he's kind of splotted it all over the car. Some on the bonnet, some on the arch.
Still yet to do the rest of it.
Yet to do the rest of it, but you know, I understand like what you're trying to do. What is how well do you think it's gonna hold to the car when you?
No, I thought of it.
Ah.
It's not gonna.
You think it's just gonna fly?
We'll drive down the road and the car will be like a factory, you know?
Right.
How it came out of the factory, pretty much. There's no, I don't think it's gonna hold too well. I feel like high speed is definitely a no-no.
Fantastic. No, high speeds is gonna be quite interesting. It's gonna be quite interesting. We might decorate other cars behind us while we drive. Ryan, what do you make of this?
It's pretty nice.
You think it's gonna be epic?
Yeah. I think it's gonna fail miserably.
Gonna fail miserably.
But it should last a little bit, so I think it'll be okay.
Yeah. I think it should last quite well as well.
Where'd it go? There is a cool bird in the sky. No. Yes. Very sturdy. Very sturdy.
This is the web that I'm going to put over the car. When I just grab, I know what you're going to have to do. We're going to have to go over the car and then kind of make holes where the windows are. Yes, so grab these two ends. Okay. Off the sides. And just go to the back, to the front. Oh man. It's fine because I don't understand what it's doing. It's like splitting in half from the middle. Okay.
A biggie windy.
Yeah, so that's pretty much almost complete. That door can't be used. This door can't be used. I think. Yeah, you can get in. Everything else is off the wheel arch. Everywhere. Front still needs to be kind of done. We can kind of see how it's gonna kind of look at the end. The whole thing. Right now the guys are just making sure that this door can open as well, so we can actually get passengers at the back. And as you can see, as demonstrated beautifully by Ryan, one is able to get at the back of the car. But it's not looking too bad, I don't think. It's definitely going to turn some heads, most definitely going to turn some heads. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it is what it is. Which is the first person in history to saw a spider web in half. That's successful, it's actually worked. Well done. Moment of truth. Oh yes.
Vroom vroom. This is my car.
Start out.
You have the key.
Exactly.
The name's Miles. Ryan Miles.
It works.
It worked! Mitch is adding a few more decorative bits to the car. As you see, this is a spider.
I think they'll just stick in and
Another.
hold on.
You think they're gonna hold on? No. Let's name the spiders. Okay, this one.
If this one's alive by the end of the video.
Yeah. We'll keep this one as we'll call this one Gerald in memory of.
Okay, this one will be
Zeus. That will be Zeus.
and what's the Lewis's one called?
Thor.
Is it called 4?
I have no idea. I've completely forgotten. No, it's Brutus.
Brutus. The three bikes.
The 3 bikes. Yeah, I'd say keep the webs out the wheel arches, but we shot this on a very, very, very cold day.
Alright guys, so we just got finished decorating the car. It could have been better, but it's pretty good. The spiders do tie together like Ryan said. It does look funky.
It's memorable.
Yes. And we're gonna get some weird looks, I already know. But that's why we did it, right? Alright. See you guys. There's just particularly more people now, I swear.
Yes, there we go. They seem quite interested in what we're doing.
Look at it! Oh no! Oh,
Oh my god! That is not okay.
It's not okay.
We're here for a business meeting, chat. That's not the only problem we've run into here. Just join me around this side of the car.
Oh no. We have to get out.
That's gonna be fun.
Shouldn't record people without their permission, Jared.
Yeah, but they're looking at us, isn't it?
Alright, so we just arrived at the meet.
You're in the bush.
Oh We need to straighten this up. Hold this shit.
My God. All right.
Most of it's still on.
Most of it went to the back. If you go to the front, there's absolutely nothing.
For fuck's sake.
There's nothing. There's just tape at the front. And
Guys, unfortunately,
car meets dead. There's like 3 cars here.
yeah.
Not very interesting. But you know, it's not a complete loss. At least we got to dress up. Got to dress up the car. We got to get a few people's reactions, and definitely scared the crap out of us getting here because we passed like 4 or 5 police.
Yes, we passed so many police cars. I thought I was gonna get pulled over.
I thought we were definitely gonna get pulled over. But yeah. Anyway, this is our Halloween special, quote unquote special. It is quite special in its own way. Oh, the lights are going off. No, the lights are going dimming. But yeah. Thanks very much for watching. Okay, wait. Oh. Yeah, thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Hope you enjoyed. Hope you checked out our podcast and whatever, which should come out before this.
Yes.
As usual, like, subscribe, share. Small channel. We need.
Goes a long way.
Goes a long way. Yeah. Just tell a friend, tell your mum, tell your dad, tell your gran, and yeah. Thanks for watching.
See you guys.
Don't rain on me.